All my life based heads 2021, man. My wife is gonna hate me, man. I had to pull the trigger, man. ZVX, man. Hey, do you see that? ZVX. We are not playing. All my life, though. I am not in competition. Down for sound, man. I am not in competition. This right here just for this right here just to defend myself. All my life base heads, man. I just got to find something to put it in. My little Dodge Caliber ain't gonna get it, man. Little Caliber ain't gonna get it. She ain't gonna get it. She already got 2 MOFOS 15's in it. She ain't gonna get it. Need something bigger. So I don't know what to get, man. But these some big. I think these young like 50-something pounds, man. So when I get ready to unbox them, I got to show y'all, man. But right now, I ain't shot a video in so long, brother. Brother. But ZVX, man. I know a lot of y'all got them sundowns, and they cool. I'm coming for them later on. I need some sundowns. I want some what you call them shits? Some goddamn I can't think of the name right now. PSI, yeah. But I know a lot of y'all got sound cues and what you got them audio pipes and stuff, but I got Skar right now. So all my life, baby. We trying to move on up like the rest of you guys. On a budget.